How to make cat in Infinite Craft. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the game. After that, bring earth on your board, then bring wind on top of it, and this way we will get dust. Now we need to add earth to dust and we get planet. Now we need to bring dust on our board, so we will search for it and bring dust. After that, we will add wind to it, and this way we will get sandstorm. Now we need to add this sandstorm on planet and we get Mars. Now we need to search for dust and add this dust on Mars and we get a rover. After that, we need to search for Mars and add on rover. This way we get curiosity. Now we need to search for dust and add on curiosity, and this way we will get cat. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.